Hello foodies! Welcome to the first episode of Garden to Table series by Swedanika The Kitchen. Today's recipe is a perfect healthy tea time snack which is loved by all generations. Amaranthus vada or Todakura vada. Amaranthus is widely available during rainy season. In today's recipe, I am using amaranthus from our kitchen garden. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. We have abundant amount of amaranthus in our kitchen garden. Today I am going to use some for the preparation of vadas. Select tender stems and cut them. Wash thoroughly 3 to 4 times until you see clear water. Finely chop amaranthus and keep it aside. Here I am taking approximately 8 cups of chopped amaranthus. We need finely chopped coriander leaves, salt, ginger root, Bengal gram, finely chopped onion, green chilies, finely chopped mint leaves and rice flour. Bengal gram acts as a binding agent for amaranthus leaves. Today, I have taken 2 cups of Bengal gram, washed and soaked for 2 hours. After soaking, they should look like this. Don't soak too long, otherwise the batter will become too runny. We need only coarse mixture for this vadas. In a blending jar, add ginger root. It's about 2 inches ginger. Add green chilies as per your spice level. Now add soaked Bengal gram without water. Take around 1 tablespoon Bengal gram and keep it aside. We mix these later to add texture. Blend it coarsely. Make sure everything is coarsely grinded. Now add this mixture to amaranthus leaves. We saved 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram to add texture to the vadas. Now we'll add those Bengal gram to this mixture. Adding these Bengal grams will give good texture to vadas. We can feel Bengal gram while eating vadas. Add salt as per taste and mix thoroughly such that all leaves are mixed with Bengal gram mix. Now add about 1/4 cup of rice flour. Rice flour adds good texture to vadas. Now add finely chopped onion and mix. Add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander leaves and 1/4 cup of finely chopped mint leaves. Mix everything properly. The mixture should be thick and coarse and should be able to hold shape. Take a small dumplings and make it into a vada shape. Make vadas with whole mixture. Now heat oil in a pan for deep fry. You can shallow fry these vadas or fry them in air fryer too. Now oil is hot. Add vadas to the hot oil on a medium heat. Don't move vadas immediately. The mixture may separate. Vadas will float once they start holding shape while cooking. Then you can turn them. Cook on medium-high heat so that the vadas will be cooked inside evenly. Once the edges are golden red, turn on high heat. Once the vadas are golden red, remove them from the oil to the paper towel to drain excess oil. Repeat the same with all vadas. Now Amaranthus vada or Totakura vadalu are ready to serve. Serve these vadas as it is or with any chutney or ketchup. Enjoy this nutritious snack on a rainy day. These are very good options for Naivedyam or Bhog during pujas. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do try this nutritious snack and let us know your feedback in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends. If you like more recipes like this, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.